In this video, I shall show whether my timewall account is verified or not. Additionally, I'll explain how you can withdraw unlimited money from timewall once your account is verified. To do this, you need to go to the Settings tab and click on it. If you have noticed, there is no verification tab available here. Why? Because my account is verified, but there is no proof. Stay here, and I will show you within a minute. To do this, you should go to the messages you have received from timewall. Click on the message icon and select Show All in Mailbox. Here, I shall show you the email I received from timewall confirming my account's full verification. When your account is verified, you will also receive the same email. Look here, your ID has now been verified. This means you can now withdraw unlimited amounts of times, and you now have access to higher paying offers. Take a close look. You now have access to higher paying offers. If you enjoyed the video, like it. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thanks for watching.